Good morning! Medyo paos-paos pa ako, no, yung kagabi. So, ito po yung gift namin kay Ash. Ash po yung magbe-birthday mamaya sa McDonald's. Ginawa po yan ni Tinsel. Ang ganda, no? So, mamaya attend naman kami ng birthday party dito lang sa McDonald's Las Piñas. So, see ya!
And there's gonna...
Okay.
Oh no! They're starting now.
Papunta na kami ng McDonald's. Birthday party ni Ash. Ang... ano bang tawag doon? Ang ka-basketball camp niya last year sa Infinite Basketball Camp. First time niyang makikita si Max after 10 months. October yung huli, di ba?
10 months na?
10 months niya huli. October yung camp eh. Or November natapos. So mga 9 to 10 months huli niyang kita. So tulad nung sabi ko sa vlog, may mga several attempts kaming magkita-kita para mag-swimming. Hindi natutuloy kasi hindi na magmamatch yung schedule nila. So kailangan may birthday pang ganito para lang magkita na sila. Finally, excited to see Ash and also Max. Yung Max din, ka-basketball din nila sa camp. A-attend din. Reunion naman nila. Kung kahapon, reunion namin ng mga ka-office mates ko. Ito, reunion naman ni Pixar ng mga ka-basketball camp niya. Tapos, tomorrow, birthday niya naman. So, maraming sunod-sunod nga yung celebration. Nag-start kahapon. So, ano pa lang to? Halfway pa lang kami ng weekend long celebration. Okay? Say hi, Pixar.
Hi.
Yan. Yan ang magbe-birthday. Nakatulog, oh. Silipin muna natin kung start na ng birthday and then gigisingin na natin. Ang bilis naman. O sige, tara na. Okay, ito na po. We are about to enter McDonald's. Amin na. We will open it for mommy. Yan. Oh. Saan yung sa may birthday? Okay, doon daw.
Dito na lang po para mas maluwag.
Okay. So, we are in McDonald's Pamplona. Ayan. So, dito tayo sa loob ng... Oh, exclusive yata yung play place.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Wife ko, si Tinsel. Sige si Angel. Ash, Pixar, finally. Yeah. Finally.
Yes, tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. Gift po namin.
Uy, thank you very much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Forte niya yan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Okay, go with them na. Ash, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Where's Max? Not yet here?
Birthday to you. Happy
Kahapon galing kaming wedding. Today, party nyo. Party niya bukas. Sunod-sunod.
birthday, happy birthday.
Ayan si Blue.
Ay, hi.
Friday. Friday.
Malalaki ng mga anak niyan, as in.
Hindi kasi 10 years ako.
Si Ash. Galing, no?
Ayan yung pinaka-balik.
Oo.
Happy birthday.
So, check pala natin to ng McDonald's. Nandito tayo sa McDonald's Pamplona in Las Piñas. So, ito ulit yung Alabang Zapote Road. Yan. So, papunta doon sa Pote na. Papunta rito Alabang. Yan. So, ito pala yung McDonald's. Yan. Maganda rin yung McDonald's dito eh. Medyo may kalakihan. And dati hindi pa ganito yung itsura, ni-renovate lang. So meron din silang McCafe, coffee shop. Ayan. Apple pie. Ayan. Salamat ah. Nagutom na si Tins, di na makapag-antay sa food mamaya. Nagpabili lang tayo ng apple pie. So yan, nag-uumpisa nang dumami yung mga bisita. Yan. So baka in a while mag-i-start na yung party. Kompleto na yung tropa. Pa-remove mo yung mask niya muna.
Remove your mask. 1, 2, 3.
Ayan. Yung mga magtotropa sa basketball. Nakompleto rin. Finally. Max, dito tayo. Ayan, finally. Oh, Pixar. Max is here already. You can join them now.
Lord, maraming salamat po sa araw na ito na ibinigay niyo at pagkakataon para may celebrate yung birthday ni Ashley. Hindi po naging madali nung mga nakakataon, pero at least Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Alright, thank you so much everyone. You may now take your seat po.
Great things happen, but there's no greater thing. I see you turn 8 on this special day. Continue to be loving, caring, cheerful, extra energetic, inquisitive, inventive, and being mama's chaperone. Because malaki namin ang kapatid mo. Sino sumasama sa akin? Go with me wherever I go. Okay, and I wish for a brighter future with lots of opportunities for you.
Oh. Ito na.
Alright, happy birthday, Ash! Okay, the rest, sit back and relax because it's eating time.
Eating time, guys.
Nakauwi ako sa
Okay, faster. Ayan na. Let's go guys. Time to eat. Okay, very good guys. Let's go. Go back to your place. No. Okay. Pixar, did you enjoy the party? Yes. Okay na po, tapos na. So yung celebrant po ngayon, tomorrow invited din po siya sa magiging birthday party ni Pixar. So magkikita-kita pa ulit sila. And natapos na nga po yung birthday. Masaya naman lahat. At itong lato-lato niya isa sa giveaway. Okay. Enjoy lahat.